Hi Andrew, so thanks for being with us and for the short interview. I just saw your talk and I was really impressed by the Barbie doll you showed to us.
Thank you very much.
Tell us a bit about that.
And the Barbie doll really comes into the next generation of computing. If you were to put Internet of Things and devices into the next category, Barbie doll is where you go. You put kids connected to the cloud, you then have speech recognition in there. The issue becomes the ownership of data. Who owns that data that goes into the Barbie and out of the Barbie? And clearly then privacy and security need to be addressed, and they're not the same thing.
Yeah. So I saw that security and privacy doesn't equal, so what could be a possible solution for that?
The solution needs to be around consumers owning their data and understanding where it goes and who does what with it. Because at the end of the day, the consumer are the ones that really need to start owning their data and really driving where it goes.
But what about the power of the companies who own that data right now? So how to overcome that?
What we need to do is understand some of these new Internet of Things devices and start putting in these security principles as they come out, and not really retrofit where they've gone to, but look at it as a future growth for the industry.
Do you think people have to change for that? Because people nowadays, we will see Glenn Greenwald later on, are not care so much about their own data. So how to change their thinking about that?
I think there's certain categories of data which really become important. If people think about their Barbie dolls and what their kids are saying into it and voice recognition, you really understand that some people think that's important. Well, other people will say, you know what, I'm okay with that going into the web. You really have to make that conscious choice. But then you go, my running shoes, my heart monitor, where do you draw the line? There's certain things that will go on the web. The way that I do search, I'm quite happy for people to look at that. But how I use my running shoes, I may not want to go back to my health provider all the time.
And it probably means that people have to change their mind and care for themselves about their own data in the best way.
That's probably the best way going forward, is people to understand and be educated on where this is being used and what people know about them with it.
Okay. Andrew, thank you very much for the great talk and for the short interview. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much indeed.
Yeah, thank you.